our vice
Don't
principal.
be very undressed. Don't be very undressed. Thank you so much.
Congratulations on behalf of him. Yeah. And also, I would like to introduce you to ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Once again.
Good day, everyone. Today we are proud to honor the topper of class 10 category. Introduce yourself.
So my name is Nong-eh Kiripo Tisso. I'm currently studying in class 10, and I've been studying in AKACTS since I was class 2. Before this, I studied in Nong-eh Kiripo since my primary studies. And after when I reached class 2, I came to Diffu. And since then, I'm staying in hostel.
Thank you. So next question I would like to ask you is that which subject was most difficult for you and how you overcome it?
If I go back my past records about studying, I believe that in the early stages of my schooling, it was social science.
Social science, okay.
Like when I was class 6, social science was introduced to our class for the first time. And like at that point of time, I used to make one mistake. I just studied the text without knowing what to do. Like I just studied aimlessly. Then when I reached class 7, I realized my mistake that no, this is how I should be studying. I should solve questions. I should check how the questions are set. Although it was for us schooling level, like it was just my annual examination, not a type of examination in boards. But somehow I figured out a mistake, and now I'm bringing out decent marks in social.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So our next question will be, who support you the most during your preparation journey?
Since I'm living in hostel, the preparation support from my parents are there. They give me motivation to study. Like they tell me how to study and how I should be. Like they give me tips. However, since living in hostel, I would credit the most to our wardens, the staff, our vice principals are here, Mistress Madam, who are staying with us in our hostel. Since they are always behind us, they are pushing us up. Like they are also teaching us, guiding us. So the most credit will go to them.
Very nice. So we have some questions prepared for you. So I would like to ask you. Yeah, can you tell us your secret of your success and your daily study routine?
My daily study routine is quite simple because like I believe that apart from hard work, yes, hard work is needed, it's compulsory. But apart from that, we must know the direction in which we are studying. Like if we are working very hard for something. As an example, I'm trying to study something. Then like if I just study aimlessly without knowing what is the objective, like what's the objective of studying it and how will it impact, like how the question will come. Let's say for example boards. Like boards, they won't just randomly ask us question like if it's about nationalism. Then they won't directly ask me what is nationalism or like give an example of it. Now times have changed, like the question pattern is changing, like how the question is set are changing. They are trying to check on our concept, our capability. So I believe in smart work and hard work, and I believe that both should go along with each other.
Thank you.
Ready?
Okay, next question I would like to ask you is that how does it feel to be the class 10 topper of all Karbi Community AKACTS Exam 2025?
Being a topper of the class 10 level or in this exam which we have given, like feels very pleasant because this is like the first time I'm doing a competitive exam, and like when we do something like for first time and we bring good results in it, like we feel good, most thing, and like we feel like yes, I've done something better. Before this also, I've given like exams which conducted in the school, like the Hummingbird Olympiad, which I've mentioned. Then I have also once tried for the like AKACTS like exam which they are conducting, and even now they are conducting it. I think the result has been recently like released, and many of my juniors also like went to the round 2, round 3. I think the round 3 is supposed to be held in Guwahati. But the problem with those exams is that they are single subject. They don't offer you like, they're not based on the format of competitive exam. Like if we go, when we see NEET, JEE, or like when we see like UPSC's like combined competitive exam, like when we see the format, it's like they are multi-subject. They will check our logical reasoning, they check our grammar. So like when this was like conducted for the first time, I felt like maybe it's a shot which is worth it. At first I was not supposed to give for it because like I came to know about it later. Because when it was like, you know, this came to the school, I was not aware of it. And our officer, he told me that since you are going to go from here within a month, and this exam offers you like the chance to experience how the exam will be conducted in the future. So like, okay, I said I'll like go for it. It was like almost 2 days before the exam when I checked the syllabus. Oh, the syllabus is so vast. We have Karbi history, Assam history, we have grammar. I thought, how will I complete it? Then I somehow worked out my time, and the result was good.
Once again. Okay, so next question is, what is your aim in life? What do you want to go after your HSLC? I mean, your class, after you pass your class 10.
After my class 10, I plan to go to the science stream and then pursue like MBS degree and become a doctor.
Very nice. And one last question, but not the least, what message you want to give to your juniors and to the students of Karbi Anglong?
Today, Karbi Anglong is developing along with the mainstream society of India. And like today, unlike before, the competition has increased, population has increased, job availability is less, and then this is a serious concern because for like a job, now even we've seen the ADRA exam for a 3rd grade, 4th grade exam, like jobs, like they have recorded like students like in, how will I say this, like even for like 3rd grade, 4th grade job, if like lots of people are coming and competing for this job, then what about the high grade jobs, like becoming a neurosurgeon, highly qualified engineer? What about them? So now my message to the like students of Karbi Anglong that we have to nurture our skills from now. We have to know how these competitive exams are done. We have to work hard, we have to work smart, because if we want our district to shine, our people must shine. And it has to start with the students mostly. Those who are giving NEET this year, JEE this year, who are giving the UPSC exams, APSC exam, and most importantly the students from class 1 to class 10, because I believe class 1 to class 10 is the best phase for learning. After 11, in 11, 12 or after 12, our mind cannot take it too much intel. Yes, the learning that we'll be learning after will be very high class, but 1 to 10 is very fragile period. We have to learn the most, like we have to nurture our skills from class 1 to class 10. So my message would be like, work hard, succeed your aim, work for people, work for society.
Thank you so much for your wonderful and encouraging message to all the students of Karbi Anglong. So, congratulations once again. And then now, in our midst, we have our Vice Principal of Nong-eh Academy. I would like to give time for him to say a few words regarding what message he also want to give to the society of Karbi Anglong based on this competitive talent examination?
Okay, at the very outset, I would like to thank Vicky and his team for visiting us in this school. As this exam has been conducted through your society, and to mention this, that this has been the first time in Karbi Anglong that the students have got the platform where they could explore their knowledge and ideas, where they could at least have that feeling where they can also decide where they could sit in the competitive exam and all sort of exam that they are about to experience in the future. So this platform gives them the experience, I believe. And so this is something, a very tremendous job that your teams have done, and I believe that it is a very good news for all the Karbi Anglong that in the coming time your team are going to touch the West Karbi Anglong side also. And moreover, if we touch all parts of Karbi Anglong, then I think there will be more participations. With more participations comes a better opportunity, I believe, and then competitiveness also will be tough, and then so which is why I believe that this is a platform where students will learn and explore, and our best wishes from our school. And we share the same vision, I believe, because we have established this school for this only one reason, that students should get a platform to explore their ideas, and for the society where they can become doctor, engineers, or all that. The most basic idea of the school that we have established this is to educate, at the same time to become a good human beings. Apart from doctor, engineers that we always speak about, but the most important thing is to become a very good human being, to love one another, to serve the others. So if you become a doctor, you are serving the others. If you become engineers, then also you are serving others. So we spend our whole life, and till we are buried, and till our cremations, we are always serving the others only. So that is why this is the platform where Tukimi always believed that we provide the platform to serve the people, and that's why. And this boy has made us very proud, and by securing this first rank from class 10. And I hope that in the time to come, more student participations will be there in your this exam, and I hope that we also have a school in West Karbi Anglong. We expect that next time when your society organize this kind of program, then our school also will participate in there. So my message to all the young generation out there is that participate. Win or lose is not the matter. The most important thing is that you participate, you experience, you'll understand your loopholes, you'll understand where you're lagging behind, and that's where you take the first step by making yourself understand that okay, you're lagging behind in some this or that particular subject, and that's where you start your career, and that is the biggest opportunity what this society has brought to our district. I think my best wishes and all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful, encouraging words to our society and to all the people of Karbi Anglong. And through your message, our society also get encouraged. We want to do it more to our society in the coming days. So thank you so much.